Showings can be a source of anxiety for some sellers. The idea of having strangers through your home can seem a little intimidating. I'm Amanda Woolacott, here with the Blue Coast team, and today we're going to ease those fears and explain how showings work when you list your home. A common fear is that buyers will be free to wander the seller's home unsupervised. This is never the case during showings, as it's standard common practice that the buyer's realtor will take them through the house. When open houses are an option, we make sure first to let the homeowners know to put any valuables out of sight. We only allow access to a certain number of people at a time, and we gather the contact information of all who enters the home, all while keeping an attentive eye on them. During showings, you will commonly receive a request 24 hours in advance, which you can also specifically request. Or if time is of the essence, you may tell your realtor to accept as many showings as possible with little notice. Just let your realtor know how much notice you would want. If anyone is interested in seeing your home, your agent will contact you. At the Blue Coast team, we'll call or text you whenever a showing is requested. When preparing your home for showing, it needs to be clean and it helps to be decluttered. Use nice scents that are welcoming like fresh baked cookies and Febreze. Try and get your home as attractive as possible as when photos were taken. And finally, it's best for sellers not to be home during showings. Having the sellers at home reminds the buyers that the space has been occupied. During special times, like the ones we find ourselves in now, we can provide our clients with a virtual meeting and showing through Zoom and Messenger. We emphasize the need for buyers to be pre-approved, sign a medical form, avoid using the washrooms at the home, or touching anything. Practice physical distancing, use disinfectants, and try not to touch surfaces. I trust that gives you a good idea of how showings work when you list your home. I'm Amanda Woolacott, and it's time to come home to the Blue Coast.